Please, allow me to show you something.
Hey, welcome back to this Trini. I'm Keisha, and today I'll be unboxing the Neewer LED 2.6 gigs remote control ring light, 18-inch ring light. Let's get right in. I ordered it from Amazon. They had a lightning deal sale, and it was 99 US. It was usually 145 US. And I also checked the Neewer website, and they were having a sale as well, so I guess it made sense for Amazon to have the sale as well. So I ended up buying it from Amazon just because of the purposes of free shipping and all that logistics. So I ordered it from Amazon. This is the box that came in. This is the size of the box that the ring light was. Now I don't know what I was expecting, but I was not expecting this big of a box. In the box you get the ring light, which comes with a carrying case, as well as the light stand, or the stand for the ring light. You get the power cable, as well as some accessories which I would mention later on. So you have the carrying case for the ring light. Unfortunately, I didn't try, but I do not think that the light stand fits in the bag for the ring light. I'll try that sometime, I guess. And you have, if you can see, the bag doesn't bend. There are foam boards on each side within the bag, and there are zippers where you can take it, like pockets where you can take it out, I guess, if you don't need it or you want to use the bag for something else, to protect the ring lights while transporting it. You can mount your camera or your phone on the ring light stand itself. So it comes with an I'll call it an adapter, where you can mount your camera or you can mount your phone. The phone mounts, unfortunately, I guess you can't turn the orientation, so there's the mount if you want to have it in there's the screw hole if you want to mount it in portrait mode, or if you want to mount it in landscape mode. And again, it holds your camera. There is also an extension stick, I guess, if you want to turn your phone, or well, it's very strong, so you can trust it with your heavy cameras. It's not gonna bend that easily. So I guess if you want a different angle, there's an extension stick that you can use with it. You also get the remote control that you can use with either your Apple devices or Android devices, and that would be for your phone. So you get a little remote control. Also get the remote control for the ring light itself. I was just showing you guys how to control it. So to pair it, they say put on your ring light, and within 10 seconds of putting on your ring light, press and hold the on button on the remote, and you will see the ring light flash, and that would mean that it has paired with the remote, and now you can use your remote to control the ring lights, which is so convenient instead of having to get up and adjust the settings. Now, what I like about this ring light, just in case you did not have the remote, the controls are to the top. The buttons are to the top, so you don't have to like stretch to the back to control it. It's like right to the top, so you can control it easily. And outside of the remote control, they also have an application which you can use with the ring lights. I was going to download it for you guys, just for you guys to see, but I didn't think it necessary because you have the remote. I didn't think it necessary because you have the remote. Now, if you guys want me to download it and show you guys sometime in another vlog, I could do it, but I didn't think it necessary. And you know it's from China, but I don't know what theory I have, but yeah. There are 6 buttons on the remote. So you have the brightness up and the brightness down, and instead of like normal, like let's call it volume buttons, instead of having like up and down, they put 100% and 0%. So I thought it was a shortcut, meaning when you click it, it will go to 100%, or when you click 0, it will go to 0%. But it's just basically the controls. So once you click it, it will go up in increments, and the 0 is to go down. Then you have the 56K and the 22K. The 56K is for the more white light, and the 32K is for the more warm light. And then you have the on off. So I showed you it's on the wall, but because I'm here, I'll show it on my face one time. So I'm gonna take it off. Where did I go? I'm gonna put it on. And this is me using the remotes, I assume. So I'm gonna put it on 100. And well, when using the remotes, I really don't know when it's on 100. Am I looking scary? I think I am. I'm gonna turn it down to 0. I'm gonna raise it back up. I'm gonna change the color temperature from 56K. I'm gonna turn it down to 32K. Which is more warm. Turn it up. Turn it down. And turn it off. So this is basically my unboxing and review of the, well, overview of the Neewer 18-inch LED 2.6 gigahertz remote control, or 2.6G remote control Neewer ring light. So oh, I didn't show you guys. I don't know what I was doing before. This is my O-ring light, and I think it's like a 10-inch. I don't know why, a 8 or a 10-inch. Now look at the size compared to this bag. This is the Neewer ring light that fits in this bag. Right. It doesn't even compare. I don't know what I was doing with. I don't know what I was doing with this, but honestly, when I bought this ring light, this is a UB's ring light. I don't know if it's me because I'm too rough or careless. Well, I'm not really rough, but the cord was starting to short, which is why I needed a new ring light. But I bought it to take pictures of products, so I really didn't, it wasn't to film videos. I didn't need all of this. But seeing the difference with this, like get you at least a 14-inch, or get you at least a 14-inch or a 16 ring lights, because I promise it makes all the difference. So yeah, that's basically my unboxing and review. Is this a review? I'll use it for a day, half a day. I like it, so I'll do an update as to how it goes, if it continues to meet my expectation. So again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out some of my other unboxing videos if you're interested, or you can check out some of my weekly vlogs, or some of the other random things that this Trini does. Again, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, be sure to like, subscribe, and even leave a comment, even if it's to say, ooh, that's so cool, or nice. Right? Leave a comment, subscribe. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.